Right, and Transporter fans, welcome back to a 2023 T6.1. So this one has come in today for front and rear light upgrades, an Alpine Halo 9, a reversing camera to go with it, and a Thinkware dash camera. So let's jump into it and start having a look at it all, shall we? So, as you know, the stock headlights that come on these, the entry-level ones, are terrible, as you'll all be aware, same as with the T6 and the T5.1. So, popular upgrade on these to give you a much more up-to-date view as well, but also far better light output. So these have the dual projector style lamps in them, and then your LED DRLs underneath. The nice thing about this as well is that this customer has gone with the twin bulb upgrade, so basically now running full LED. So the light output from these is going to be so much better, so much brighter, going to light up the road all the way, and also the van's going to look loads smarter and loads more modern. It's a bizarre thing that they released the van with those old kind of candles in the dark sort of arrangement lights. Terrible things, but these cracking option, and also they've been paired with the factory T6.1 LED rear lights. So let's go and have a nice little look at those, shall we? Much sharper looking back end with these rear lights, loads nicer. They've got that slight kind of cherry red colour to them because they've got a slight tint, but look really, really smart. And also just loads crisper and cleaner, so for everyone else to see. And then when we fit them, we run the cable for the dual fog light. So then you get dual fog light, and then obviously the dual reverse light is retained. So loads brighter, and obviously evens it up and just looks that bit nicer. And then obviously when you're using your brake, so at the moment obviously just the rear lights are on. As soon as you press the brake, the middle three go off and the top two come on, the two squares come on, and then it switches off and goes back to standard. So smartens at the back end of the van, modernises it nicely, and yeah, just looks loads better. And then whilst we're at the back, we've also got our small little aftermarket reversing camera that's just tucked in there. Nice and small, nice and discreet, but gives a really nice view out of the back of the van and works a treat on the 9-inch screen that is obviously now fitted in the front of the van. So 9-inch Halo sitting really nicely in the dash. I really like the Halo in the T6.1. It really suits the size of the dash nicely. Doesn't stand out too much, doesn't get in the way or anything, just looks really smart. Obviously wireless CarPlay, wired Android Auto, all the standard fixture and features, and obviously with our aftermarket reversing camera, because I've hooked it up to an ignition, it'll come on with reverse and switch over, and we get a lovely clear view. We can see Audra waving goodbye there, and then that's just working with the parking system. But we can also press the little camera button and turn on the camera that way. So, you know, if you wanted to, I guess you could be driving along, if you knew someone was playing silly buggers behind you, you could have a little look and take a cheeky picture or whatever. But it's just useful having that feature on there that you can turn it on and off. And then, because there's a T6.1, we've now got the new style USB-C retention going on. Used to not have that. We used to have to run the USB fly leads off down to the glove box, but now we're able to retain those USB-Cs, so it just improves that kind of functionality and also the fitting of the whole system. And yeah, as always with these Alpines, just really nice to use, work a treat, look really good, and also kick out now a much better sound from that Class D amp out to these, unfortunately, factory speakers still, but maybe at some point the owner might then look at upgrading those, and it's all it's going to do is improve the usage of the van throughout. And then finally, for that little bit of added security when driving and when parking, this customer went for a Q1000, so similar shape and design to the Q850, being horizontal, fits up really nicely. As always, I've fitted it up behind the rear view mirror, so it's just out of sight, out of mind. But obviously when it boots up, it'll tell you, you know, what it's recorded and things like that. Some people turn it off, you can mute all of that sort of stuff, but it's just useful to know it's working in there and doing its job. This one records in full quad HD, so that's 1440p, so real nice and clear, has all the usual features and functions, parking mode, all that sort of thing, and obviously still comes with the usage of the new style Thinkware app, which is lovely to use. So that's about it really. I think this the customer is going to be nice and happy to drive this home, going to enjoy some good music and being able to see loads more out of their van, especially now it's get darker earlier tonight. So yeah, that's about it really. Thanks for watching, and if you've obviously got a transporter, as you know, just get in contact, let us know what it is you're looking for. There's loads that we can do with these, and yeah, in the meantime, like, subscribe, keep watching all the videos, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.